Hi everybody, welcome back to the Dreamery. Today we're going to talk about Ozobots. This one specifically is the Evo Ozobot. If you're not familiar with Ozobot, basically it's a little tiny robot that allows you to push and pull basic coding from. So when I say coding, I mean literally JavaScript or Arduino code. This has its own proprietary coding units. So basically it's block code, which allows you to visually see the different types of code that you're pushing to this little Ozobot. Not only that, but on the bottom, there's a little color sensor, which allows it to read hand-drawn marks on paper. And there's all kinds of different patterns that you can utilize with different colored markers to create it to spin. Sometimes it will go in reverse, and you can tell it to do all sorts of different things. There's also a bunch of LEDs on the inside, and you can actually use those as well to communicate different patterns. One of my favorite features with this is that it doesn't necessarily need to be plugged in to transfer the code. All you have to do is hold it up to a screen, and there will flash some lights off of their website, which has the code on it. And then that little Ozobot will read that color code, and then it'll already have all of the code loaded up, and it'll be able to run and do anything that you want it to. But that is the basics of Ozobots and what they're used for. Basically, just to introduce coding and to get down how to create block codes and systematic functions. So that is Ozobots.